Hello VIP, in this lesson we're going to talk about position sizing through pyramid trading. Alright, for example, you can see here we had this resistance, okay, on Bitcoin, multi-month resistance, okay. Once we broke out of it, we came back with a wick all the way down here. Alright, so let's say you put an order here because you know resistance usually turns support in Bitcoin, okay. Usually we test support for the prior resistance, okay. So let's say you want to build a position in Bitcoin, okay, and also minimize risk, okay. So for example, you want to build a position, okay, just take your position size, okay. You want to scale into a position, so you buy 25% of your position, you put an order right here, okay. You put an order right here, and then you can actually, on that order, you can place your stop loss underneath this resistance, okay. So for example, the risk reward here, okay, if you want to place your stop, all right, underneath it, let's say you want to give it some wiggle room here, all right, so you put it, let's say 9% down, and you want to sell at the prior resistance, okay, at that top, okay, on the bounce, all right, so you want to sell a little bit before that to be constructive, okay, so you're risking 9% to make 59% gains. This is very good risk reward, all right, guys. And then, okay, you put your first quarter of your position that you allocated for this Bitcoin trade, all right. Then you see the trend becoming your friend and it breaking the resistance here. You can see we have this resistance and then we broke out. So you add here, okay, another 25%, all right. Sorry about that. Let's remove this one. Perfect. You add here 25% on the breakout, all right. So right now you have a larger position here, and then you see the trend continuing, okay, the trend continuing, all right. You took some profit here, and then you see it breaking out the prior resistance, okay. So you add here another 25%, all right, right here, okay. So you already have 75% of the position. Also, you can put here, for example, larger sums. You want to put here 35%, 33%, and 33%, and scale in with thirds or with quarter. If you're scaling with quarters, it minimizes risk and it's also protecting you from, unpredictable event, like something bad happening, all right? And then you probably want to sell, okay, on the fib extension, all right? Let's say you measure the move here, okay? Let's measure the move here. You want to take some profit from that low, all right? Let's measure the move. So you want to scale out at the 1-to-1 ratio and at the 618. Obviously, you got to scale out at the 618. So you're probably going to take some profits along the way, all right? Like we always do, you take some profit here, and then you take another profit on the top, all right? And you also can use a stop loss strategy here. Once you see it going straight up parabolic, you can just put your stop loss underneath it, and then it probably gonna crash and stop you out, all right? And then you made a hell of a swing trade. That's a beautiful swing trade, okay? And you position size along the way when you recognize the trend is your friend, and you minimize risk along the way. This is how serious traders trade, how swing trade, how to make money in crypto in one way. All right, I see you in the next lesson. Cheers.